Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever had that sinking feeling after realizing you've lost work in Figma, maybe something got accidentally deleted, overwritten, or a key design just disappeared, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover lost Figma files using the version history feature. By the end of this video, you'll know how to confidently find, preview, and restore previous versions of your designs so nothing important ever feels truly gone. Let's dive straight in. First things first, open up your Figma file and head to the main menu in the top left corner of your screen. That little hamburger icon opens up all the core file options. Click it, and from the drop-down, navigate to File. Now here's the key step. Look for Show Version History. When you click that, Figma opens a timeline panel on the right side of your screen. This is where every saved version of your file lives. Think of it like a full playback history of your design process. Every change, every tweak, every experiment is recorded here. It's honestly one of the most powerful safety nets in Figma. As you scroll through the timeline, you'll see different versions labeled by time. You can click on any of them to preview what your file looked like at that exact moment. This is super useful if you're trying to track down a lost layout, undo a design direction, or recover something you accidentally changed. And the best part, nothing is permanent until you decide to restore it, so you can safely browse through past versions without worrying about messing up your current work. If you're working in a team, you'll also notice that version history includes edits from everyone collaborating on the file. That's great for transparency, but sometimes you might only want to focus on your own edits. In that case, you can filter the history view to isolate your edits, which makes it much easier to pinpoint exactly when something changed. This is especially useful in busy projects where multiple designers are working on the same file at once. Now here's a really useful habit you can build: manually saving important versions. If you've just completed a big milestone, maybe a full redesign or a major layout change, you can create a named version right inside version history. Just look for the option to add a version and give it a clear label like Homepage Final V1 or Before Rebrand Changes. Even better, there's a quick shortcut you can use while designing: Control-Alt-S on Windows or Option-Command-S on Mac. This lets you instantly save a version without breaking your flow. It's like dropping a bookmark in your design timeline, so you can come back to it anytime. Another important thing to know is that Figma automatically saves versions in the background, usually every 30 minutes while you're working. So even if you forget to manually save anything, there's still a detailed history of your progress. And once you've found the version you want to recover, restoring it is very simple. Just click on that version and select Restore this version. Figma will instantly roll your file back to that exact state. It's a bit like hitting a rewind button. You get your design back exactly as it was, without needing to rebuild anything manually. And if you're not 100% sure, you can always preview multiple versions before making a decision. Nothing gets overwritten until you confirm the restore, so you can explore freely. And that's really all there is to it. With version history, you don't have to panic when something goes wrong in Figma. Whether it's a small mistake or a major change you want to undo, you always have a way to go back in time and recover your work. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if version history has saved you before, or if this is your first time discovering it. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical Figma tutorials coming soon.